Got the windows taped up. Everything taped up that he does not want me painting. Didn't take that long, but we should be good for a wash next video on this. Good morning, good people. Good morning, good morning. It is another vlog day. Today we got some stuff to do. We're gonna start on that project today. So we got all the products. And also we might do some other things too. But first things first, we gotta get we gotta get the house cleaned up before we leave as much as we can. I'm gonna give myself about an hour and 30 minutes to clean as much as I can. So y'all gonna be with me. So we're all cleaning up. And got the little ones in here. Got my little Ivan. And my little Lucas. And get my little Marceline. So we up. They not gonna help me clean up. They just gonna watch, but let's do it. Let's do touch up. As you can see, starting to wilt a little bit, so I had time to go and give them some little bit of waters. Yeah, I love my plants, man. Sometimes that's the easiest part. This one right here, man, give me a headache. Give me a headache. But we're not driving this one today. We're definitely not driving this one. We're gonna take, first of all, definitely need, you already know. We're taking Old Reliable today, because it never felt me. Let's load up. This thing warmed up, and let's get to the shop, because I got supplies last video. So, yeah, let's go straight to the shop. All right, you already know what time it is. Gotta put them on. All right, so I got a lot of materials to unpack real quick, but our main focus today is going to be sanding the inside. It's a little bit rainy today. Yesterday was so perfect, but Valentine's Day is important. But we're going to be sanding the inside of this unit first. Go ahead and get it taped up, plastic up, and then start sanding everything down, because the inside's gonna be the most easiest in my opinion. And then we'll prep for the outside. The only thing is, I don't want to start on the outside until I know exactly when I can get that paint, because us sanding it down already is just gonna, be a lot more easier for rust contamination, and nah, I don't want to do that. So we gotta make sure we do this at a strategic time. So inside first, definitely. So most of these clips are gonna be muted because of copyright, but right now I'm gonna get this measured out for 10 foot by 5, so I can go ahead and get the bottom floor just covered up and stuff. So I'm gonna start with 80 grit. All right, so I got the good amount of surface off. I had to get this open I gotta snake this air hose through here and just blow everything out. It's just too much dust and dirt in here too. All right, so I just got done spraying it out. I'm gonna go ahead and line the plastic up in there. All right, so I'm gonna stop working on that one real quick. Went to some further instructions for that that little project, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and start putting some stuff onto this car while I'm here. So why not? Let's do it. But first, I gotta pull all this stuff away. Dang. It's not time for you yet, so we're gonna move this out the way. There's some more light, but let's open it from this way. Yep, we got the MAXSPEEDRODS, our control arms. Got a compressor loading up, but all right, so the whole hub assembly is off. I'm gonna get that wishbone off and then put this on in there, and then we'll put that back in there. Just a nice comparison. I'm surprised I have to use that today, but nice comparison between old and new. Yeah, looking pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, driver side's in. I'm putting coilovers in next. All right, I'm back in here. I just got approval to go ahead and knock out a little bit more of this and got the numbers straight away. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything sealed up and get prepped for paint. Got the windows taped up, everything taped up that he does not want me painting. Didn't take that long, but we should be good for a wash next video on this, and then we'll go ahead and deflate the tires a little bit and be able to back it up in here. All right, shoot. Big thing too, I just took the plastic down for this side. It's already a little bit dry enough, so I think it was all right. Let's go ahead and take it down real quick. It's good to have openness again, you know, before this goes taped up for real too pretty soon. But man, I love this shop, man. I'll go ahead and move the table from right here. So I got a little nook behind this toolbox. Boom. All right, I think I'm done in here. Man, it's been a good day. I would say I definitely got caught up on a lot of things. We got the control arms and the struts back in there, max speed all the way on both sides. We're gonna take those lower ball joints to my job, get them pressed out. New attachment to the side of the toolbox, kinda loving it. Man, it's just going crazy, man. We're going crazy this year. So with that being said, let's continue with the day real quick.